Hey, 10th graders. So, as I said yesterday, today, Tuesday, we're going to do some further work on this inquiry project. Yesterday, we started with these two tabs, the Open tab and the Immerse tab. The Immerse tab was the tab that had the Ralph Nader article. If you didn't get to it yesterday, you really need to get to it today. Immersing yourself, immersion, immersing yourself in this article is really important because it's going to be a common denominator for all of us, in addition to Nopalitos, which we read earlier, and also the novel. So we're going to be immersed in those three things. And if you didn't get to the inquiry journal prompt yesterday, that is also something that you should do. And also, you should have created a Noodle Tools project yesterday. Now today we're moving into the next phase, which is about exploring. But I want to say a few things about it first. Pretty soon, but not yet, you're going to choose a formalized topic. But right now, you're really just going to explore all the various options that are out there, all the different potential rabbit holes before you go down into any rabbit holes. It's when you get to the identify phase that you'll really narrow down a topic. But for today, you're going to do a lot of exploration. So I'm going to click on this tab and show you what you'll find. You can do it on your own. But there are lots of places you can go to take a look at different resources and just really explore what's here. I should warn you that these video suggestions are full films, so they're not something that you would watch per se now, but you might take a glimpse and see if it's something that you'd like to watch later. When you're examining texts, these are really good questions to ask as you're reading those texts. Over here on the right, if you're interested in personal stories, we've got personal stories here. What else is down here? Oh, this I wanted to show you. And this opposing viewpoints database is really awesome because if you click on it, they present, you can type in something like children of undocumented immigrants. And this, you'll see a variety of different kinds of things you could explore in relation to that particular topic. And because it's opposing viewpoints, they show you kind of both sides of an issue. So that can be a really balanced way to do some exploring. So we're going to have you do that exploration, and you'll see here that we'll ask you to record those reading choices so that we can have a sense of what you're taking a look at. And then the next thing you'll do is you'll create another inquiry journal log. And in it, it will look like this. You'll track your choices. You'll pay attention to your reading strategies and cite some sources and take some notes about whether the text might be useful. If you take a look and you think it may be worth returning to later, then give it an exclamation point. All right, good luck with that.